Hello everyone, my name is Christian Herona from BSIT2 and welcome to Networking 1 Crossover Ethernet Tutorial. Step 1. By using the cutter stripper, you should cut carefully the patch cord just a bit by twisting it and get rid of the blue patch. Step 2. Separate the wires before you arrange the color wires in order, just like you peel off the banana. Then carefully cut the white thing before you arrange the colored wires. Step 3. Arrange the colored wires in order. The color of arrangement is that white-green, green, white-orange, blue, white-blue, orange, and white-brown and brown. Cut the colored wires before you apply the RJ45 cable, then put it inside of it. Then you can now apply the RJ45 cable. By doing this, put the colored wires inside the RJ45 cable. And now you can lock the RJ45 by using crimping tool, but before that, you may check first the colored arrangement and check inside the RJ45 if it's attached it properly. And now lastly, use the tester to see if it has signal properly.